Quick home inspector tip on how to make all your waste plumbing leak. Same house. Same house. Same house. This one's not as bad, but still. Nope, not good.